All right, let's connect Claude to Notion so it can actually read and update your workspace. Takes about 2 minutes. Let's do it. First, click your profile icon in the bottom left, then hit Settings. On the left menu, click Connectors. This is where all your third-party apps live. Notion, Google Drive, all of that. Now click Add at the top right, then select Browse Connectors. This opens the full directory of apps you can hook up to Claude. Search for Notion, click on it, then hit Connect. This is where the magic starts. It'll bounce you over to Notion. Pick the workspace you want Claude to use, choose which pages or databases you're comfortable sharing, and click Allow. Remember, Claude can only see what you give it access to here, and there it is. You'll see a connected message. That means Notion and Claude are officially linked. Let's test it. I'll just ask Claude what it can see in my Notion workspace, and boom, it's pulling up my actual pages. That's confirmation it's working. That's it. Claude's now connected to Notion. You can ask it to search pages, summarize notes, or even create new ones. If this helped, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.